Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you get Clash of Clans the hacked version. Okay, first you need to download Clash of Magic S2, and then go down for Android Clash of Magic. So that go down for Android. Let's go here. Let's go Android. Okay, then you need to go down for Let's Go app. Here go for Get Started. Then next, after that click on Download app and download. Here you'll find magiclauncher.apk. Click download now. Then you will find this link. I already downloaded. Then you need to open Magic Launcher. I already installed it. Okay, the Magic Launcher will be something like that. Okay, welcome to Magic Launcher. Then okay, it's add. Then you need to choose Clash of Clan or Clash of Royale. Okay, click on Clash of Clan. It will ask you for 4 servers. I choose the first server. Click on Get It. Your browser will open. Here the media file will open. Then you need to download it. I downloaded and installed it already. After that, here the new Clash of Clans open. Okay, let's see it. The new version of Clash of Clans and hack it. Okay, wait for the loading. Fast. Yeah. Okay guys, I think the game is not working for me, but I hope it's work for you. I don't know what happened now, but I hope it's work for you. Don't forget for subscribe and like, and if you have any problem just write in the comments down and I will fix it. Okay, bye.